What's your best impression of Coach O'Neal during a timeout?
Can I impersonate him? I got hair, so I really can't.
I got here. That's crazy. That's a clip. That's a whole clip right there.
That's crazy.
That's a whole clip. So, who's someone on the team that makes the practice more fun or more like, or who do you think would make? Like, we'll do this. Who's one person that makes it more fun and one person that makes it worse? Like, they just be like doing the most.
I hate practice heroes. People who try hard, who on practice team, and they know the play. Like you trying hard because you know the play already. That's what makes it like that's what make practice bad. But the people who turn it up, I say this our safety. His name Adrian. His nickname Baby A, Baby Hulk.
Baby Hulk.
Yeah, Baby Hulk. He a short Mexican, but he'll hit you though.